Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's Ashley. If you guys are new here, this is a weight loss channel, healthy eating style channel, keto, low carb, fasting, OMAD, all kinds of different stuff here. So click that subscribe button if you haven't already and stay tuned because these are my 3 tips for cooking while you're fasting. Question that I get a lot of the time is, how do you fast while you have to cook for others? Well, guess what, you guys? I'm a wife and a mother, and I am making chicken tacos for my husband's lunch. Rotisserie chicken, to be exact. And if you guys are like me, a full-on rotisserie chicken I could devour myself. So how am I fasting when I have to cook? I've already made breakfast. I have to make his coffee. I'm doing water fasting this week. It is very difficult. I don't want to stand here and pretend like it's easy, but it's a choice. And that's what I really want to remind you guys of on your fasts. It's a choice. If you cannot get your family to cook for themselves, I have a 12-year-old daughter. She can totally make her own lunch and breakfast. My husband, I help out because he's gone for 13, 14 hours a day. So that's on me. I want to do that for him. But if you guys find that your family can't cook for themselves, if you have little ones, just remember it's a choice. So one tip that I have is definitely meal prep for your family. Whatever you're gonna make them, make it ahead of time so that when you're fasting, you don't have to actually stand there and cook it and prep it and serve it. And you might just have to serve it, okay? So make some made ready meals for them. Pop them in the freezer so you can just microwave and give it to them. Slice up your, whatever you need to for your meal. Pop it in the fridge. Easy done. Out of sight, out of mind. So tip number 2 is when you are done cooking, put everything away. Wash your dishes. If they're able to sit by themselves, maybe go in the other room. If they're not, maybe, busy yourself on your phone or cleaning up or something while they eat so that when they're done, you're done and you can just enjoy the rest of your day. The other thing that I wanted to let you guys know is drink tons of water while you are cooking. Like, drown yourself in water. I usually have a huge glass or jug of water next to me when I'm cooking. Anytime I want to take a bite or anything, I drink water. So those are 3 tips that can help get you through cooking for a family, especially if you have the little ones. It's a choice, you guys. Make the right one. Best wishes on your health journey. I will check in on later